ano, nasa prosecution na eh. Okay na yun.
Sir, isa na lang yung kay Senator Marcoleta. Does that stop you from granting interviews kasi nakaka-apekto daw sa image nung...
No, that's why alam nyo, hinahanapan nyo ako ng, bawal na akong pa-interview sa inyo. Eh kung interview nyo ako, puro no comment. Ano ang tsura ko nun? Just because he is complaining. That's my personal opinion. At saka siya na rin nagsabi, at this point, ano yung sabihin natin at this point? So relative. At this point, sabi ko, yun ang tingin ko eh. Anong pakialam niya sa akin kung yun ang pananaw ko? Siya ba inaawat ko kung anong opinion niya?
Okay. Thank you, sir. Salamat.
Hindi ko alam kung magbabago isip niya or what.
So, Yusek, sir, Yusek Bernardo
Yeah,
po.
yan yung pinag-usapan natin.
Sir, magte-tell all ba talaga?
Any communication with him po?
No, not directly.
Opo.
Conveyed lang.
But may affidavit
Will you
po,
support, sir?
Meron siyang naunang affidavit, magsusupplemental daw siya. Because the affidavit that was sent to us earlier, that was before Alcantara testified yesterday. So ngayon, after hearing the testimony, nagpasabi na magsusupplemental. I don't know, wala ko idea.
Without saying too much, sir, sa affidavit ba niya may mga names din siya?
Wala akong idea. Let's see tomorrow.
Sir,
Hindi
si
ko nakita.
Hindi, wala akong nakita.
Sir, si Saldico, ipapatawag din ba?
May interparliamentary courtesy. He is still a congressman and mayroong tradition na voluntarily he can appear and testify or manifest. Pero to send an invitation or even a subpoena, hindi proper.
Sir,
Yung
or
kahapon-
against tradition.
Sir, ganito kasi seryoso yung allegations against him.
Well, regardless, kasi yan ang tradition eh. Dinatnan na namin yan dito. Nangyari yan before sa, I think sa drugs issue, no? Na ako yung chairman ng public order. Nag-request si then Congressman Biloso kasi his name was mentioned. So pinibigyan ko. And then I gave him first crack. Nag-manifest. Ganun lang. Pero to compel, to invite, and worse to issue a subpoena, mukhang
But if
hindi proper.
But if Congressman Zaldico wants to attend, he
Oh yes,
is welcome.
definitely. Anybody for that matter.
Any communication since last night, sir, with Congressman Zaldico?
Wala akong ever.
Oo.
Wala akong communication, maski noon. Kasi wala naman kaming personal na.
Yung explosive na mga sinabi kahapon ni Engineer Alcantara, you think, sir, tell all na yun lahat ng mga lawmakers?
Let's see, kasi nasa DOJ siya. I think he's still undergoing evaluation ng WPP. So, I heard this morning, kasi pinahatid namin si Bryce Alcantara sa DOJ. Meron din sinasabi yung lawyer niya through a message na magte-tell all. But, you know, tell all is always relative eh. Diba? Hindi natin alam kung tell all talaga, or tell 3/4, or tell 5/8, or tell 1/2. Hindi natin alam eh.
Yung kahapon sinabi ni Bryce na 20 maleta, 6 vans, you believe it, sir?
Well, I don't know kasi wala naman siyang except for the testimony. Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-hold water nang walang corroborative testimony or walang corroborative evidence.
Sir,
How about
mabigat ba yung
AMLAC
mga...
po? Papatawag niya AMLAC po.
No,
To check
dati
kung may...
naman natin
Hindi, to check po kung yung mga transaction na yun talagang nasa
Ginagawa na
bago.
ng AMLAC yan. Ginagawa na. Kaya lang, confidential kasi yan eh.
Sir, may liability ba yung BBM sa DPWH kasi nagpapasingit na sila ng exertions at the next level pa lang?
At the very least, merong impropriety. Kasi sabi ko nga, yung executive branch is in charge of the preparation phase. The legislature is in charge of the authorization phase, which is legislation. And then the budget goes back to the executive for implementation, implementation phase. And then accountability, yung fourth phase. Ito yung oversight, COA, and other related matters.
Sir, bibigyan ba ulit ng
So
pagkakataon?
para makialam yung legislators sa domain, exclusive jurisdiction ng executive branch, which is the preparation of the budget proposal, aka NEP, I think there's impropriety there.
Pati yung UA po, yung pakikialam nila sa UA, do you think there's anything pa?
Hindi, maski sa regular budget, pag nakialam sa preparation pa lamang, hindi yun proper.
Sir,
No, kasi maliwanag naman eh. Kanila talaga sa executive talaga yung pag-prepare ng NEP. maghintay kami na i-transmit sa Senate within 30 days after SONA yung budget proposal, yung NEP. Saka lang kami pwedeng makialam.
Sir,
Sir, sa UAE,
katanggap ba yung sinabi ni Secretary
We don't
Bono?
know.
Katanggap-tanggap ba yung kay Secretary Bono? Na surprise lang siya sa lahat ng
Well,
kahapong
let's put it
sinabi?
this way, nag-retire siya 2010. Ibig sabihin, before that, he stayed for so many years, rising from the ranks. So alam niya yung nangyayari sa baba. And then he became Secretary of Public Works in 2022. To say na hindi niya namomonitor, dalawa lang implication. It's either kasabwat ka or incompetent ka.
Sir, nakita
Diba?
niyo na po ba yung...
Alin
Kasi
siya dun
kung pinull out ka from outside, bigla ka ng secretary, pwedeng napalusutan ka. Sa akin, based on my experience, kasi galing din ako sa PNP, I rose from the ranks. Maski pa paano, may experience ka sa field. Maski pa paano, alam mo yung nangyayari. So pagka ikaw yung nag-head ng agency, at the very least, dapat alam mong i-monitor yung mga shenanigans. Diba?
Yung mga rig
Pero kung
bidding,
magugulat ka sa ganung ka-brazen na practice, like, rigging, and then ghost projects, pati yung pag-manufacture ng mga documentary requirements para makasingin. Dapat yung kung gano'n sa ground, imposible namang ngayon lang nangyayari. Ngayon lang nabuko yan, pero matagal na nangyayari.
so kahit wala siya since 2010 at nagbalik lang siya kailan, hindi yun excuse.
Sa akin, hindi excuse. Kasi when you head an agency, you have a responsibility. Di ba? Tawag nga namin sa military, command responsibility. Although sa civilian, there's no such thing. Sa amin, you can be sacked, you can be suspended, you can even be investigated for yung under the principle of command responsibility. Sa civilian, wala namang ganon. Di ba? Sa amin kasi stringent yung...
Sir, dahil sa mga revelations ni...
Right now, wala naman naglilink sa kanya. So, anong criminal liability niya?
Sir, dahil sa revelations si Alcantara kahapon, si Bryce Hernandez ba tingin nyo papasok pa as witness?
That is the call of the DOJ. Kasi under nila yung WPP, under nila yung program. Sila yung merong karapatan na mag-evaluate at mag-assess. Kaya yung usapan kahapong restitution, so many legal luminaries came out, di ba, today, na backing the position of the Secretary of Justice na indeed restitution could be a requirement. Maski wala sa batas, kasi hindi naman pwedeng kung ano lang sa batas, strictly doon lang tayo. Remember, pagka tinignan nyo yung RA 6981, yung formulation ng mga policies, tapos yung mga conditionalities, ano yun, DOJ yun eh. So kung nag-impose yan ng halimbawang kailangan ng restitution, at saka walang persahan yun eh. Kasi pag nag-apply ka as a witness under the program, siyempre may pipirmahan ka dyan eh. Hindi naman pwedeng one way yan. You're lapping your way to the bank and you will be protected by the government, provide you with security, escorts, and then papakainin ka pa. Parang napaka-unfair naman sa gobyerno yun. Unfair naman sa atin lahat yun. Ako nagbabayad ako ng tax eh.
But what do you make of Engineer Alcantara's statements kahapon? Yes, he named names, nilagdaan yung statement, but yung proof, sir, what do you make of it, sir?
When I talked to Secretary Remulla, tinanong ko sa kanya sa sideline, merong record na hawak. Hindi ito yung parang say-so na bahala na si Batman. Tinanong ko anong basihan, meron daw siyang record.
Record ledger?
I don't know.
Papayagan niyo rin ba
Sir,
siya
si
lumabas?
Sir Lipana po papatawagin niyo.
I think nasa abroad yata eh.
Sir,
Under
Sir,
your medical
sir merong
records.
hawak na mga
record?
ebidensya si Alcantara.
Receipts?
Apparently,
Ano?
hindi ko alam, hindi ko naman tinanong na. Kasi nasa DOJ, doon siya nagpunta kasi eh. Wala nga kami kinalaman doon sa kanyang affidavit. I was just informed. I was just being updated over the weekend na merong such and such plan to appear and tell all. And I was being updated kung ano yung possible na laman ng kanyang affidavit.
Okay.
Saan yung documents ni Bryce? Ano na nangyari?
Hindi ko alam kasi hindi naman nabasa yung pangalan doon sa precinct. Alam niyo yung precinct kasi, ang basis noon is a formal complaint which Secretary Remulla did. NBI filed a formal complaint against those named by Alcantara. And I noticed doon sa nung in-enumerate niya yung... Wala eh. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Sir, pero ang sabi po ng DOJ, magpapasupplemental affidavit daw sila kay Alcantara
Yeah,
to
that's
include
their
Former Senator Bong Revilla. If
That's
that
it.
happens, will you also be calling for him?
Well, he's a former colleague. Ano? I will have to consult with the members of the committee.
Sir, papayagan ba ulit na magsalita si Senator Jinggoy, Senator Joel sa hearing since nabanggit na naman sila
Alam nyo, ako binabasa ko doon sa bakit ko pinayagan. Hindi ko naman sila pwedeng pagbawalan. Ang inhibition is a personal decision. No, kung tingin mo out of delicadeza, you should not participate because you're being implicated. That's their call. Alam nyo, even judges are given enough leeway ng Supreme Court kung mag-inhibit sila o wala for potential conflict of interest. And who am I? Even the Senate President, sino kami para sabihin yung peers namin? Remember, there are peers eh. Hoy, huwag kayong pumunta rito. We cannot do that. That's their call. Okay?
Sir,
Regarding lang po din sa may computer ni Bryce,
Well, ito yung latest. Ang computer, even those that were initially retrieved na nasa possession namin, kasi kahapon, nagbago na naman yung isip ng mga lawyers. Secretary Remulla called the Senate President. Instead na i-turn over daw yung computer sa ICI, sa DOJ na lang daw. So that's their call because that's his computer. We cannot also tell him, hindi, kailangan sa amin yan. So ang decision ko kahapon, and I had the approval of the Senate President, was, okay, pati yung nakuha natin para lang ma-preserve, ma-consolidate lahat yung evidence, hindi kalat-kalat. Ibigay na rin natin sa DOJ. In fact, even the folders, no, yung contents ng aking privilege speeches, dalawa, pinadala ko na rin sa DOJ. Although, initially, or earlier, I also gave the whole, including annexes, 11 folders, sa ICI. Binigyan ko rin noon si Secretary Vince Dizon. Binigyan ko rin kahapon para kung gusto nilang mag-file ng charges against Bryce Hernandez et al. For malversation. Because obviously, lumabas naman sa hearing di ba? Na sila merong mission sila.
Pero sir, may laman pa yun na hindi pa binabanggit ni Bryce Hernandez sa
Alin?
kanyang mga
Hindi ko alam eh.
sinumpang-salaysay.
Kasi nakita
Yung
yung-
computer mismo, yung laman ng computer.
Hindi ko nakita.
Sir, pero hindi na kayo mag-request na kayo din, may kopya kayo naman ang laman.
Hindi na kasi nasa prosecution na eh. Okay na yun.
So isa na lang yung kay Senator Marcoleta. Does that stop you from granting interviews kasi nakaka-apekto daw sa image nung
No, that's why alam nyo, hinahanapan niyo ako ng bawal na akong pa-interview sa inyo. Kung interview niyo ako, puro no comment. Ano ang itsura ko nun? Just because he is complaining? That's my personal opinion. At saka siya na rin nagsabi, at this point, ano yung sabihin natin at this point? So relative. At this point, sabi ko, yun ang tingin ko eh. Anong pakialam niya sa akin kung yun ang pananaw ko? Siya ba inaawat ko kung anong opinion niya?
Okay. Thank you, sir. Salamat.